Picture this. It's tax time, you open a drawer, and a pile of wrinkled receipts jumps out like confetti. Some are faded, some are missing, and suddenly you're guessing. We're not doing that anymore, Bonafide peeps. In part 3 here in this video, I'll show you exactly which receipts to save and how to track products you buy for your cleaning business. Simple, not fancy, so you can stay stress-free and legit. You can apply what you learned from this series to any small service business you have, or one you're planning to start. Let's talk bookkeeping. Yep, that thing we're diving into here and in the next parts of this series. Real talk. It's the part many owners dread, but I've seen it 100 times. A good business with messy books. Receipts vanish, systems get too fancy, and folks freeze. In this series, we'll flip that script. Simple steps, real habits, clean books.
Bonafide helpful vibes, yeah, we bring it to the life. Real talk, good heart, everything feeling right. From the soul to the smile, let the rhythm rise. Who you tuned in now to Bonafide helpful vibes.
Here's a quick and clear summary of how long to keep receipts. Keep business receipts at least 3 years after you file your return. Keep 7 years if you claim a loss from worthless securities or a bad debt deduction. 4 years for employment or payroll tax records, and keep property or asset records while you own the item and through the year you dispose of it to prove your cost basis. States can have their own rules for sales tax, so check yours. If you're still wondering why to keep receipts and why tracking what you buy matters, here are 6 solid reasons. If you're buying supplies or products for your business, keep a clear record. 1. Save on taxes. Many business purchases are tax deductible, which helps reduce how much tax you owe. 2. Proof for the IRS. Receipts and invoices prove your expenses are real business costs, especially during tax season. 3. Protect yourself in an audit. If you're ever audited, organized receipts protect you from penalties and interest. 4. Stay organized. Good records equals clear finances. You'll see your income, expenses, and growth with ease. 5. Report sales tax accurately. In some states, you may need to report or pay sales tax on items you resell or use to provide your service. Accurate tracking makes this easier. And 6. Separate business from personal. Clear records show what's strictly business, especially important for small business owners and sole proprietors. Here's my friendly reminder to you. Please note, tax rules vary by location. Always follow your local or state guidance. Here's a small cleaning business expense checklist. Yes, these are receipts you got to save. Tech plus subscriptions like phones, tablets, and apps. Marketing plus website, your domain, hosting, ads. Branding, business cards, shirts, and stickers. Supplies like rags, gloves, sprays, etc. Uniforms plus safety gear. Equipment like vacuums, steamers, mops, and ladders. Your business planner counts too. My biggest tip or advice is keep business receipts separate. When ordering or shopping, only order business products in one order. In store, separate business and personal items in the cart. Pay for business items in a separate transaction so your receipt is clean and accurate. This makes tracking and filing your expenses way easier. Finally, let's talk about my 3-step receipt system, how to keep track, save, and record all your small business receipts. My simple, not fancy system, you don't need an expensive setup. Here's what I do. Bag it. Ziploc labeled with the year. Use a quart-sized bag and write the year on it. Bundle monthly. Every time I buy cleaning supplies or equipment, I put the receipt in the bag. At month end, staple the stack and total it. Log it. Record the monthly total in your planner as your product expense. Do this monthly and there's no year-end chaos. Doing this every month saves you time and stress at the end of the year. If you wait until tax season, you'll have a mountain of paper to sort by month, by category, then totals. Trust me, it's way more work than it needs to be. Your receipts are handled. Now log them. The Profit Tracker Pro Planner on Amazon gives you a simple, dedicated space to record monthly product expenses, so you stay organized all year and breeze through tax season. All right, Bonafide fam, this space is all about learning and growing together. At the end of my videos and blogs, I always love to wrap things up with a quick Q&A section, because sometimes seeing the answers laid out makes everything click even more. My goal is to help you understand clearly, relate it to your business, and take confident action as you build and grow your service business. If something in this topic sparked a question, drop it in the comments. I do read them, and who knows, your question might be the exact one someone else needed too. We grow better together. Question number 1. Do I really need to save receipts for my house cleaning business? Yes. Save receipts for at least 5 years. They support your deductions, protect you in an audit, and keep your numbers clean and clear. 2. What receipts should I save specifically? Anything you buy for the business. Cleaning supplies, equipment, vacuums, steamers, mops, uniforms, PPE, phones, tablets, software, app subscriptions, website, domain, hosting, marketing like flyers, business cards, ads, branded materials such as shirts, stickers, and even your business planner. 3. Can I keep digital copies instead of paper? Yes. Clear scans or photos are typically acceptable. Keep them organized in date name folders and back them up, cloud plus one other place. Check your local and state rules. 4. My receipts fade. What should I do? Scan within the same week you receive them. Thermal paper fades fast. A quick photo or scan saves the details before they disappear. 5. What's your simple, not fancy system? The Ziploc method. 3 steps. Bag it. Use a quart-size Ziploc labeled with the year. Bundle it monthly. End of month, staple that month's receipts and total them. Log it. Record the total in your planner under monthly product expenses. 6. Why separate business and personal purchases at checkout? You want a clean business receipt. One transaction equals one neat record. It makes year-end totals, taxes, and audits way easier. Question number 7. What if I forgot to get a receipt or I lost it? Grab a copy from your email or order history like from Amazon, hardware store apps, etc. For cash purchases, ask the store to reprint. If you absolutely can't get one, keep a contemporaneous note with its date, item, amount, and purpose in a bank or credit statement. Do your best to avoid this going forward. Question number 8. Are all cleaning supplies deductible? If they're ordinary and necessary for your business, such as rags, gloves, sprays, buckets, etc., they're typically deductible. Keep the receipt plus a note on business use. Number 9. Do I need to track sales tax too? It depends on your state. If you resell items or have taxable services, you may need to track and remit sales tax. Accurate receipts make filing simpler. Check your state's rules. 10. Do I need expensive software to do this right? No. Start with the Ziploc, then monthly tally, and use the planner to keep a record of it. Later, if you want, add a simple spreadsheet or basic bookkeeping app. Consistency is always greater than complexity. 11. How do I record my monthly totals? At month end, total the receipts and enter the number into your planner's monthly product expenses. Repeat every month. This keeps your annual total accurate without the year-end scramble. Number 12. What's the biggest mistake cleaners make with receipts? Mixing personal and business purchases on one receipt, letting receipts pile up until tax season, and not scanning fading receipts. Keep it simple and do a 10-minute monthly routine. 13. Is my business planner deductible? If you use it for your business, yes. Organizational tools and reference materials used to run your business can be deductible. In question number 14, how does this help during an audit? You'll have organized proof, dated receipts, monthly totals, and a planner log. That combo reduces stress, speeds up verification, and helps avoid penalties or interest. Stay tuned. Next up, Part 4 shows you how to use the planner to record monthly earnings and expenses, giving you a clear overview of total income, mileage, worker payments, cleaning supplies, and more. If you found this helpful, share it with someone that you think can use this information. Thanks a bunch for viewing my channel. Stay bona fide, have a blessed one, and I will see you in the next video.